Hey everyone, welcome back into Know Your Father's Capital. Thanks again for subscribing, and today is a video talking about what a green day we are seeing on the charts. Bitcoin is rising, and then we're going to get into why Bitcoin is likely to hit 25,000 after US CPI data. Okay, so I'm going to get into that in this video, tell you guys my thoughts. So you're going to want to stick around, but first, take care of some business, hit that subscribe button, join Not Your Father's Capital for constant crypto updates and news along the way. All right, so let's get down into it as we look at what is going on with crypto. We see basically all the cryptos are into the green. All right, we're seeing a lot of more price impact with some of the smaller, more volatile cryptos. However, we have some very exciting news surrounding some of the cryptos, like Cardano having their upgrade scheduled for tonight on top of this nice trek into the green. All right. SHIB, Doge up around 3%. You're seeing ApeCoin up 7%. All right, so when we talk about what is going on with crypto, we can zoom out and you can see how all the top 100 cryptos are having a day into the green. All right, so nothing not worthy to celebrate. Any day into the green is a good day in my opinion. But let's get into why Bitcoin price is likely to hit 25,000 after the US CPI data. All right, now why do we care what Bitcoin goes to? Okay, a lot of people don't even own Bitcoin, but it does matter because Bitcoin is the crypto that makes all tides rise and fall together. All right, so when we talk about what all of the altcoins will do, we need to see Bitcoin go higher, we need to see Ethereum go higher, because when they follow each other, all the other cryptos that we are invested in and we believe in, the projects, the communities, they all positively are affected. Okay, so when we talk about the buying pressure from investors surrounding Bitcoin, this is basically when Bitcoin fell below 21.5. All right. And this is evident with all the on-chain whale data. You can see the numbers for yourself, trace the wallets back to their owners. We could see what is going on with the big swings we are seeing as it relates to Bitcoin being traded. Okay, but now we talk about January. We have seen the CPI data, basically all of the macroeconomic factors that are weighing crypto down, weighing the markets down, and the economy for that matter, are basically starting to get a little bit they're starting to fall after rising significantly. Okay, so we're talking about some of the data surrounding the 10-year Treasury yield. Okay, that was at 3.369. That dipped about 2 basis points. Okay, so now the 2-year Treasury is also down 2 basis points to 4.5%. Okay, we're seeing oil prices dipping. All right, now the U.S. government is planning to release more crude oil from their reserve, but this is all going to play a role into what is going on with crypto because of how the actual macroeconomic ecosystem is across the United States. Okay, so when we talk about also the biggest factor we see with inflation is how the dollar has weakened. Okay, so that has helped Bitcoin's price recover slightly. Because what is Bitcoin? Digital gold, the hedge against inflation, right? The ultimate hedge against inflation, okay? The self-proclaimed hedge against inflation. Well, we don't really see that because we're seeing crypto kind of correlate with the traditional markets a little too much, in my opinion, okay? So this recovery was seen, and we started seeing all of these macro factors basically retreat back to normalcy in a way, okay? But now we are seeing the US dollar falling to 102.96 today after rising to almost 103.50 in the last week. Okay, so the inflation is expected at 6.2% in January, which is the lowest since October of 2022. Okay, so this basic fall that we are going to see will push the market up 2.5 to 3% according to JP Morgan's prediction. Okay, now that's coming from JP Morgan Trading Desk. So you can look that up for yourself, not financial advice. Please do your own research with all things financial, all things crypto. All right. But this is something where we are expecting to see all these factors basically combine together and influence what we are seeing in crypto. All right. So Bitcoin is poised to rise higher. All right. Bitcoin has went up almost 40% in January of 2023. And I think the crypto market, I think traders are ready for this recovery. I think the institutional money that has been on the sidelines following the money, following the markets are ready, okay? So this rally, this market recovery, it's more of hope, but it is kind of an expectation when you see all of this inflation kind of retreat and we see kind of some normalcy across the board, okay? There's really no negative catalyst because if you look at all the data and how bad it was, you really can't make it any worse, okay? We've seen the FTX collapse. We've seen the exchange scrutiny. We've seen the inflation numbers out of complete control. All right. These are all things that are basically the apocalyptic worst case scenario for crypto, and we have still seen some recovery to start 2023. So that's why I am bullish about 2023, but I'm going to be tuned, waiting for Bitcoin to rise up again and see how high we could get come, in the intermediate future, in the next coming month or two, okay? Because I think this will help for the broader crypto market recovery. And the only thing really standing in the way is what regulation we can get from the United States government and regulators as it relates to the SEC and crypto in terms of staking and so on and so forth. So that's what I got for you guys today. I want to see Bitcoin hit 25K. I think it will. Okay, I think the CPI data is going to fall. I think Bitcoin is ready to break out, and I think the rest of the crypto market is ready to follow. So that's what I got for you guys. Hit that subscribe button, join the channel. Would love to have you, and thank you for watching.